Are you lost in the software jungle? This is exactly how Lily felt. As an IT manager, she was confronted with a software case on a daily basis. Software A is incompatible with software B, and the license of software C expires next week. When do the other licenses expire again? Since the last update, software D has only been displaying error messages. And do we even need software E anymore? Then there's a call from the product manager. Why is the KPI report still not working? Oh yes, there's still a technical problem as well. Lily and her team waste time and energy on complicated communication with software companies, license negotiations, and user support. The main task, however, is to drive forward the digital transformation of the company. The solution? Titan. Everything from a single source. Titan from classix is the solution for a sustainable digital transformation. No more isolated solutions, incompatibilities, and user dissatisfaction. Titan seamlessly covers all business processes, from the initial inquiry to the final delivery and everything in between. Imagine your sales, your production, your logistics, financial accounting, controlling, reporting, all seamlessly connected. With Titan, you get a comprehensive overview and optimize your business processes. The modular system with over 1,800 AppsWarehouse modules enables seamless software integrations and compatibility with other applications for a complete digital transformation. Are you a variant manufacturer? Then you know how complex countless product variants can be. Titan masters this complexity and enables seamless management of even the most complex product configurations, parts list, and work plans. Titan can do it. Or are you an online retailer? Then you know how important it is to pick orders quickly and efficiently. Titan can do that too. For Lily, Titan is more than just an ERP system. It is her platform for a digital and future-proof design of all business processes. It saves a lot of time and money and can finally satisfy all users. Ready to leave the software jungle behind? Then take full control of your businesses with Titan.